Hey guys, Jason here at Drum Percussion Studio, and we've been talking about paradiddles. We've got some tutorial videos, and just wanted to follow up with a second video that's got a few more exercises. So as you're getting more comfortable with the paradiddle, the next thing is we're going to shift them into 16th notes. So I've got those written here on the music, and as we play them, we're starting to work ourselves away from saying right, left, 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 or even paradiddle, paradiddle, to where I'd like you to be counting as you play it. 1 eanda, 2 eanda, 3 eanda, 4 eanda. So we're going to count them that way. We're going to play them in 16th notes. And so I'm going to play that just for a bit. There's an exercise called a 4x4 that I like to do. It's 4 measures 4 times. So let's try this out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would have been one set of a 4x4 exercise. 4 measures, played 4 times. Alright, so after you get comfortable with that, you can play multiple sets of the 4x4 exercise. Then the other thing that I like to do is to work on 3 different drums. So this is going to help me moving around, but it's also going to reinforce that my middle drum would be the taps. Those are level 1. And my outer drums, I'm using them for the accents. So those are going to be the first of each group. For example, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to move from drum to drum, keeping our taps in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. So hopefully that gives you some new ideas, some things to practice. So the paradiddles played at 16th notes, always making sure that we have the accents at level 4 and the taps down at level 1. After you work on the 4x4s on one drum, try it on 2 or 3 drums. So have fun with that. Bye.